That's me. You're probably wondering, why am I the only one here? Welcome to the Mighty V8 Breakfast Meeting, hosted by Top Class, my first car show ever. But of course, it's definitely not my last. In case you're still wondering, no, I'm not the only one here.
Let's go, girl!
From the screeching of tires to the po-po-po-po to the hush. Here are my top 5 highlights. Defender V8 6x6. If you know me well, you're probably sure it's number 5. Well, this is a custom Land Rover Defender 6x6 pickup conversion with a V8 engine. This vehicle is perfect for off-roading, overlanding, towing, and with 6 driven wheels, it has maximized traction meant for marshy, wet, or steep terrain where extra grip is needed to avoid getting stuck. Well, for me, it's not about the engine or who did a 6x6 or I'm managing, but it's so it's a color, it's shape. This is a Dodge Charger, not a Charger, sorry. It's a 2-door, okay, so it's a Challenger. This is a Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, a high-performance muscle car. It features a supercharged 6.2 Hemi V8 engine. The standard Hellcat model produces 717 horsepower. It's known for its brutal acceleration, but I believe this is a McLaren 570S. If I'm wrong, in the comment section. The doors are definitely a showstopper. It's unfortunate I couldn't get any videos of it. Instead of opening out like a normal car, the doors swing up and fly like a butterfly. I mean, it's impossible to get out of this car without people stopping to stare because most cars are made of steel, aluminium, but this one is built around a carbon fiber tub. The engine it's sitting right behind your head so that when you're driving, you're actually hearing the right behind your ears as you drive. This is when we're just looking at it, it's just a car. No. Every curve, they are designed so that it channels air to cool the engine or glued down to the road so that it doesn't fly away at high speeds. Pontiac 400. Guys, there's something about this that screams old money. The car, it's vintage. It's just a minnow. So this is a Pontiac Firebird Formula 400, a classic American muscle. A car from the early 1970s. A lot of you people were not even born, so you can imagine. So the 400 refers to its powerful 400 cubic inch V8 engine. This is a 6.6 liter V8 engine which produces around 330 horsepower in its standard form. Guys, I'm still yet to learn about this horsepower thing, and I just know that this is a beautiful car. I liked it and I'm ranking it at number 2 because in this old money vibe car, like, okay, if you get it, you get it. While other cars are built for speed, this one was built for strength. I believe this is a 2025 Chevrolet Corvette. This is your Lamborghini or your Ferrari, but with an American accent. This car has a 6.2 liter V8 engine that sits behind your head, pushing 495 horsepower and hitting 0 to 100 in 3 seconds, baba. Well, the inside doesn't look like a car yet, Jada. It looks like a cockpit. Just that driver so we couldn't see. There is a literal wall of buttons separating the driver from the passenger. This guy shows you who is the driver and who is the passenger. It has a front trunk, which they call the frunk, and the regular trunk here. It looks expensive like my Ferrari, my Lamborghini, but it's coming at a fraction of the price. And I told you my boss of the road. So now imagine all the supercars in one place. It's really nice to be here, guys. And on that note, it would be really nice to gain a subscriber like you, because you know you like cars, I like cars. It's like destiny, you know.
We want something big. So please, can we arrange another event like this so that I can also be able to get prepared and bring my vira for you? Yes.
So see you at the next car show.
Thank you very much, guys. Top class here signing out.